A lot of you guys requested a marble design, and here we have it. This soft pink marble design is reminiscent of rose quartz and is an absolute eye-catcher for any season. First, we're preparing the marble look in our dip tray. We do this by using girly pink as the main color and adding small accents with snow white. Then we work snow white in a bit with a tool of your choice. Be careful not to fully mix it together, otherwise you won't achieve a visible marble effect. Once you are satisfied with your look, flip over your finger and place your nail into the tray. Be very gentle here and try to move the powder as little as possible. We repeat this process on all of our nails. You can set the white accents differently each time, sometimes stronger, sometimes less strong, just like real marble. Then we brush everything off, apply activator and gently buff away any unevenness with very little pressure. Now we will add a little bit of gold foil. We don't want to distract from the marble design, so we will work with very small and dispersed pieces. So we place a little base coat on our rosewood sticks at selected spots and press the gold foil firmly in with our tweezers. We will repeat this until we have enough gold accents on the nail for our own taste. Then, as you know, follow again with activators and 2 layers of top coat, and we are already done. How do you like it? We think it is absolutely timeless and